This 2021 Dutchmen Coleman Lantern 337BH is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Longs, North Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, 29568 and is offered for sale by Recreation USA. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Dutchman is 37 feet 11 inches in length and features sleeps 9, smoke detector, leveling jacks, water heater, skylight, auxiliary battery, refrigerator, microwave, air conditioning, stovetop burner, oven, and 60 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, bunkhouse, front bedroom, outdoor entertainment, outdoor kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2021 Dutchmen Coleman Lantern 337BH is 8,481 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.